When we are working with dashboard in Excel, we need space. So we want to hide unnecessary options. For example, scroll bars, sheet tabs, and even formula bars and column and row headers. How can we do it? We can go to File menu and then Options, and here we can go to Advanced tab, and if you like shortcuts you can press Alt T O and Advanced tab, and then we are going to Display sections. So first display, it's work for all Excel files, so we can hide formula bar. Then we can go to display options for this workbook, only this workbook. So we want to hide scroll bars and sheet tabs, and we can even go to display option for this worksheet, no workbook, worksheets, and we can hide columns and row headers, and we can press OK, and we can also double click ribbon so we have more space than before, and I can press Ctrl page down to go to another workbook, and we can see that on this workbook we see columns and row headers, and Ctrl page up. I'm back on my dashboard, and I don't see any columns and row headers, so I get more space for my dashboard.